Naria, I'm anemic and I don't know why. I have not found any answers. Guys, if you're new, my name is Naria. I'm a functional gut health registered dietitian, and let's get into this case. This individual came after her GI doctor did a colonoscopy, an endoscopy, all the lab work, and had no answers towards why she was anemic. Their answers was basically take the supplement and have a good life. So she's asked, Naria, could it be something else tied to the gut? What did I do? Assess. The functional stool test plus assessing. One of the things we found is she had signs of having low stomach acid. And if you've listened to my videos, you have connected that one of the things that I see with people who are anemic are low stomach acid. So I focused on helping her with her stomach acid levels to see, could this be part of the solution for her anemia? Moving forward, she has not taken her supplements, has the best energy of her life, and honestly, she explained that her digestive process has improved. Guys, sometimes it's in little hidden things. These functional tests really help us get to that root problem. If you're curious to know what it would reveal for you, let me know and let's schedule a free discovery call.